Hello friend, and welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we've discussed about comparison operators in Python, and in this video we're going to be discussing about logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. We have the AND logical operator, which returns true if both statements are true, and we have OR logical operator, which returns true if one of the statements is true, and NOT, which reverses the result, returns false if the result is true. That is more like an inverter. If our statement is true, it is going to convert it to false, and if it is false, it is going to convert it to true. So that is the idea behind the logical NOT operator. So let's go ahead and now exemplify each and every one of our logical operators right here. So as you can see, we have a variable x with the value of 5 already assigned to it. Now let's go ahead and start using the logical operators to combine conditional statements. Now let's come down here and say we wanted to print, let's say x is less than 5. Okay, as you can see, based on what we've learned in our previous video, this condition is false because x is not less than 5, but rather equals to 5. But here we are checking for whether x is less than 5, which is not true. So we're going to get false, right? As you can see, we get false. So using the logical AND, you can combine conditional statements. Now you can come over here and say, check whether x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. Like so. So with the AND logical operator, we combine two conditional statements together. So basically the AND operator right here is going to return true if both the statements are true. So that basically means our first statement must be true, and as well this one must be true for it to return true. So as you can see, our first statement or this condition fails. It is not true, but the second one satisfies because x is of course less than 10. 5 is less than 10. But remember, with the AND operator and logical operator, both the statement must be true for it to return true. So we're going to be getting false because one of the statements right here fails. It's not true. So now let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, we got false right here because one of the statements does not satisfy. And now if we go ahead and change the value of, let's say 5, this condition, let's go ahead and make this statement true. So let's say 15, for instance, x is less than 15, 5 is less than 15, and 5 is less than 10, which in this case both the statement satisfy to true. So now we're going to get true. As you can see, we got true because both the conditions satisfy, both the conditions are true. So you get the idea. So let's go ahead and take our value to 5. And now we're going to go ahead and move to the second logical operator, which is the logical OR. So instead of the AND, let me actually go ahead and comment this line of code and come down here and say print. Okay, let's actually go ahead and copy the values inside of here. Okay, let's copy it like so. Copy, paste it right inside of here, and instead of the AND operator, we're going to use OR. So the OR says here that it returns true if one of the statement is true. So as you can see, using the AND, this condition returns false because one of the statement or one of the condition fails. One of the condition is false. But with the OR logical operator, it's less strict. So it says even if it is just one that is true, then go ahead and return true. So in this case, we're going to get true because one of the conditions satisfy. X is not less than 5, but x is less than 10. So one of the condition right here is true. So we're going to get true with all logical operators. So let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, we've got the true. Alright, let me actually go ahead and now comment this line of code. And let me write the output here is true. Like so. And for this one, using the AND is false because one of the condition does not satisfy. Like so. And now we're going to go ahead and use the last logical operator, which is NOT. So to use our NOT logical operator, we need to wrap all of our condition inside a parentheses. But first of all, we need to call our NOT logical operator and then parentheses. And then now we're going to go ahead and now let me go ahead and copy this conditions. Now paste it right inside of here. And instead of the or, let's go ahead and use and. So as you all know, by default, this condition will fail, will give us false, because one of the condition does not satisfy. One of the condition is false, and using the and, both the condition must be true for it to return true. So the result of this our conditional statement is going to be false. But using the logical not operator right here, it is going to invert or reverse it back to true. So when we get false, it's going to be converted to true. So now let's go ahead and run our program and see for ourselves. As you can see, we got true. So I hope everything is clear to you. As you can see, let me actually go ahead and explain again. This condition is the same thing as this condition right here. So normally when we use the AND operator, but this statement must be true for it to return true. As you can see in our first example here, this condition returns false. So I went ahead to take the same condition that returns false using the AND logical operator and wrap it inside the NOT logical operator. And as you can see, the NOT logical operator right here reversed the result. It returns false if the result is true. So in this case, our result is false, but it went ahead to give us true because the logical NOT is more like an inverter. It reverses our result. If we get true, it will give us false, and if we get false, it will give us true. So friend, that's basically it with the logical operators in Python. I hope everything is clear to you and that you enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you in the next one.